Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Tango Live keeps logging out. Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video I'll show you quick fixes that solve this problem fast. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First check your internet. Unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data can force Tango Live to log you out automatically. Switch networks and try again. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus side button, then slide to power off, then back on again. This clears temporary system glitch that can cause random logouts. Step 3. Log in once and stay active. After logging in, stay inside the app for a few minutes. Switching apps immediately can trigger a logout due to season errors. Step 4. Update Tango Live app. Open the App Store and update Tango Live. Older version obtain a login box that cause repeated logouts. Step 5. Turn off low data mode. Go to settings, then cellular data or Wi-Fi. Turn off low data mode. This allows Tango Live to stay connected properly. Step 6. Allow background app refresh. First go to settings, then general, then tap on background app refresh. Make sure it's turned on for Tango Live. If it's off, the app may log out when minimized. Step 7. Reinstall Tango Live. Delete Tango Live, then restart your iPhone, then reinstall it. This clears corrupted app data causing login problems. Those fixes stop Tango Live from logging in you out on iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.